Okay, what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you how to jack up the car so that you can work underneath it safely, because there's tons of jobs that can be done under there. To do this job, you're going to need a couple of jack stands, a set of chocks, and a trolley jack. This particular car, I'm going to lift it up from the cross member, which is underneath the engine. Really important that you look at the manufacturer's specifications for that particular car so you know where to jack it. You can cause a lot of damage by jacking up modern cars by using the cross member, as I'm going to do now, because modern cars often have an aluminium cross member frames, they will break. First of all, we need to make sure that the handbrake is on and the car's in park. And if it were a manual, we'd put it in first gear. We've got to make sure that the floor's clear and clean underneath us so that the trolley jack, as you can see, rolls easily. We're going to run it under the car until we get to the chassis. Now we're past the chassis and we can see the subframe, so I'm going to turn the handle fully clockwise. And now it's fully in contact with the cross member. That's where I want it to be. So away I go, pumping it up, but keeping my eye on it and keeping well clear of the car. Okay, that's my workout for the day. That's as high as it'll go. And now we're going to put the jack stands in. Okay, so now that the car's up on the jack, I need to get these stands in as quickly as possible because I really don't like the car sitting on the jack. It's not a safe place. So we'll get the Repco 3-ton stand, check to make sure the footprint's clean on the stand so it sits nice and clean on the ground, and make sure that the ground's clean of debris. Place the jack with the handle facing outwards and simply just lift it up into the jacking point on the car. So I'm happy that that's in place. There's a little bit of movement, but that's how they are. Now it's time to put the other front one in place. So now the next thing is, of course, to get rid of the jack so I can get under and fit under the car. So I'm going to get rid of this jack, turning anti-clockwise, down goes the jack, out of the way now, and I'm going to put the safety chocks in, one behind each wheel. Okay, so jacking the car was quite easy really when you follow the right procedures. The car's safe now, it's on its stands, the chocks are in, the handbrake's on, and really I'm ready to get underneath it and do what I've got to do.